Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Neha Sawan and I make manifestation technique videos. I actually have got, recently I have got comment on my video that you have actually, if you are watching this video, this is for you, and because of you, many people will get a help from this video. I hope so. So thank you for asking me that question. Actually, you said that you have actually used so many techniques, but nothing is happening. You actually want to manifest your dream job. I guess that much I understood. Though I have replied you, I thought of making this video because I wanted to share this information with everyone. So thank you to you that you actually because of you that strike in my mind that I should make a video, because this is a question asked very frequently on Instagram from me, that people have used so many techniques and nothing is happening, and I should suggest something which will work. See, why we use manifestation techniques. Manifestation can happen without techniques also. Okay, why we use manifestation technique? Because it to clear the negativity, okay, to clear that sort of, how I should explain. Suppose there are lots and lots of clouds in front of the moon. Okay, suppose that moon is your desire, your reality, and the clouds are the negative thoughts. Okay, now the more you add your negative thoughts, the cloud, it will grow and it will never go. Okay, so why we use manifestation technique? To set intention in our subconscious mind, and because of and to clear this negativity. Okay, what we do is we keep on adding more negativity. Why it is not happening? I am using manifestation technique. I have also made a divine timing video. You should watch, everyone should watch what is divine timing. Okay, I will actually share that link in my obviously in my description box. Okay, so why we use manifestation technique? To clear the negativity, to set the intention in the subconscious mind. Okay, everyone knows this, but why it should be set in our subconscious mind? Because if it is set in our subconscious mind, the solution, the brain will start seeing the solution everywhere. Okay, take an example. We thought one negative thought, more and more negative thoughts get aligned. Okay, no matter what we are thinking, even if we are thinking about something negative about any person, then more and more negative thoughts gets aligned, that okay, this person had said this also to me, this person had done this also to me, not this only. Okay, so why we have to use manifestation technique? To set the intention in our subconscious mind. So after that, what our subconscious mind does is we start seeing the similar kind of things in our surrounding, and because of that we actually get the idea on what we should do. Okay, personally, it is my advice. In career thing, we actually need to, in this topic, we actually need to take law of action. So I have actually made a video on how you can contact your guardian angel. I hope I have pronounced it right. Guardian angel. Okay, so you can ask your guardian angel. I will share that link also in my description box, so it will help you actually. So because by contacting your guardian angels, guys, you can ask any question, any confusion, any query can be solved by this. Okay, first of all, in this case, for your job, if you all are actually manifesting a dream job, first of all, ask what is actually the law of action should be, actually what should you do. Okay, what should you do? Actually, first of all, ask, do you you need to take law of action in this? If you ask this question after using those steps I have shared in that video of guardian angels, contact your guardian angels, okay? Do you need to take law of action? If you ask this and your gut feeling says yes suddenly, then take law of action, okay? Now if you are confused that what sort of law of action you should take, then you need to ask this also another time. Take this go with this process of contacting your angels and ask what sort of law of action you should take. If your gut feeling suggests something, then that is right, guys. Everything is different. Every experience is different for different people, okay? Even in spirituality also, every experience is different for different people, okay? You are getting all the information, use it, set intention, okay? And if required, take law of action, okay? And if you are confused about what sort of law of action you should take, or if you will have to use if you will have to take, you should take law of action, all these questions can be answered by your guardian angels, okay? Through your gut feeling. Do not underestimate your gut feeling, it is always right, okay? So first of all, I want to clear this confusion that why we use manifestation technique. It is to set your positive intention in your subconscious mind. After that, the mind actually start connecting more and more thing like that, and the idea actually come out, okay? It is all practical, it is not magic. So if you are actually trying to manifest your dream job, best of luck from my side. You will definitely get it when you are all positive, guys. Best of luck. Thank you so much. I hope I have made you clear. Thank you so much.